What's the meaning of coloring? Coloring. Coloring.
Coloring. Coloring. Coloring refers to the process of adding colors to a black and white image or design. The result of coloring can vary depending on the medium used, but typically it involves the addition of vibrant hues and shades to create a more visually appealing and dynamic artwork. Whether done by hand using traditional media like paints and markers, or digitally with software like Photoshop, the end goal of coloring is to enhance the overall aesthetic appeal and impact of the original image.